Hello, this is Marianne Rutherford. This is for Zisa Pacific Microbiology 225. Today I'll be talking about bacterial identification with functional media and motility testing. Functional media are often used to determine the identity of unknown microbes, and it comes in several forms. The three primary forms are selective, differential, and enriched. For motility is a self-propelled motion. It's present in many but not all bacteria. Determining the presence of motility is important for the classification of the microbes. Bacteria move by a variety of mechanisms, including flagella, axial filaments, and slime secretions. Bacterial motility may be used to determine using microscopy, functional media, and flagella staining. Functional motility media is a soft gel that consists of 0.4% agar. The gel consistency allows motile bacteria to move throughout the media while preventing diffusion of non-motile species. So motility tests are conducted by stabbing a needle containing a microbe sample into a tube of soft gel. After the incubation, the tube is observed for bacterial growth. Growth only along the stab line is usually a negative test. Turbidity throughout the gel, like uniformly growth, that usually shows a positive test. So let's get started with the labs. Hi, this is Marianne Rutherford. This is for bacterial identification through functional media, motility testing. So I will be doing this on the S. epidermidis, and I already soaked the paperclip in alcohol for a couple of minutes. So it's ready to be used. Okay, so let's get started. First, we have the agar plate. First thing we're going to do is clean the lip. That's done. Next, we're going to get the paper clip. Soaking in the alcohol for a good while. Now we're going to get a good sample of the OC. Paying attention while sampling. So again, yeah. Now we're going to stab the agar with S. epidermidis. There we go. So before closing, I'm just going to firm the lid. Okay, so we're just going to store it now. And I'm going to recheck it after 48 hours. Hello, this This is June 1st, 2018. This is Marianne Vertiflor for Microbiology 225 for Azusa Pacific. This is for bacterial identification through functional media, the motility testing. So we incubated our tubes for more than 48 hours. So the first one I have is the E. coli. You can see. So taking a look at this, you can actually see where I first stabbed the agar. So you can see the stab line here. You can see there's a significant amount of growth for the E. coli. You can kind of see the movements of the bacteria. Okay, so that is for E. coli. Now let's take a look at the S. epidermidis. Same thing, it looks like there's a little bit more bacteria in this one though. I did have a good amount of the bacteria in the to stab it in the paper clip. So maybe that's why there's way more. You can really see the movements and lines. It's a good amount of growth in there. Okay, so moving on.